What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richard. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Richard Crypto, and today I'm gonna make a short tutorial video on how to buy Voinu straight off the website. That's correct, guys. You can now buy Voinu straight off the website. That's voinu.in. That's VOLTINU, and you could buy it straight off the website right now. Right. So once you go to the website, at the bottom right hand corner, you're gonna see where it says buy Voinu. Now, thanks to Embr, which is a Web3 payment platform, now you'll be able to connect your wallet. For this example, I'm going to use MetaMask, and at the moment you could only buy using BNB. I'm going to connect my wallet, give it access, and just like that, guys, now your wallet is officially connected. Now you type in the amount of Volt you want to buy, click max. For my example, I'm going to use max. Click continue. Then you click confirm. It's processing. And just like that, guys, I have successfully bought Voinu straight off the website thanks to using the new Web3 platform that Votoshi set out for us on the official website. Now I click done. And just like that, guys, I have officially bought Voinu straight off the website. Right here at the bottom right hand corner, it says buy Voinu. At the moment, you can only buy using BNB, but the other chain will be integrated here pretty soon, guys. So with all that being said, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.